Hi everyone, welcome back to Young's Garden. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully everyone's doing well. Today I would like to share with you this special clip all about grafting. Now will be my first time grafting stone fruits, and these cuttings are from my good friend Anne. She hooked me up with some of her goodies, some of which is hybrid plum and cherries, and the low chill cherry that she got for me, and some of the plum is also a hybrid between a plum and apricot. So I'm really excited, and here is the supplies that you need. 70% alcohol. Just clean all your tools. Here is my prune cutter. And you can get this at Home Depot, Lowe's, online, Amazon. Just type in prune cutter and it will show you these cool tools, or your local store, and a knife, and just start cutting away on both sides. So that's basically it. Just sharpen both sides, and towards the end just make it sharper like this, and cut the bottom, trim it towards the bottom so it'll be nice and fresh. They said it's best to graft the Zion the minute when you cut it off of the mother tree. Some people leave it for a few days. That is fine too, but like I said, best is to graft it right away. And Anne went beyond. She literally wrapped it all around for me before she gave it to me, and she tagged it too, labeled it and everything nice and neat, so I will know which is which. And she just went beyond, and I'm so thankful for her. She's so sweet. And she also told me to trim some of the thin twigs so it will encourage growth. And also watch out for any disease. Once you cut off most of the twigs, it will concentrate on the grafting area. It will give it energy to that area. It will focus on that area only. So here I just split the stick, the shaft, right in the middle, but not too deep. Just kind of eyeball it. As close as you can, and put it right in between the cuts and squeeze it in. Once you did that, just get your grafting tape, and you have to close that area off by simply cover it with this grafting tape. And this will be my first time grafting stone fruits. I heard that it's really easy with stone fruits, and stone fruit can be cherries, apricot, plums, peach, nectarine. So if you mix it all together, different trees with different fruits within the stone fruit family, it can take as well. So and I'm kind of checking and see whether it will take. And here I'm putting the zip tie over the opening where I cut, so it'll be nice and shut, nice and closed, so it will take. I know some people said that might be choking the graft. Other people, actually, they gave me that advice to use the zip tied. And here is the cut that I will be making right in the middle, not too far off. Just kind of eyeball it, how much you shave off from your scion, and just stuff it right in the middle. Hopefully it fits. If it doesn't, just pull out and sharpen or make it deeper so it will fit perfectly. And it's kind of hard because I'm actually holding the camera with one hand, and the other hand I'm actually doing the grafting, so it's not really perfect or easy. Here is I think candy plum cot, and here is the royal cherry, which I'm gonna keep it on the cherry tree, see if it takes. And again, sorry about the clip. I know you're missing out a lot, but it's kind of hard for me to hold two things, do two things at once. And here it is. I made the cut already, and this method is called Cleft graft. That's pretty much it. All you have to do is add a bag over it and kind of treat it as a greenhouse effect, so it will have its temperature and right environment. And all I did was I used another zip tie to tie the bag down around the Zion. And here is my 4-in-1 plum cots. This is from Bob's Wild Nursery from Texas. I got this online, and it's 4-in-1. It looks pretty great this year. All full bloom. I can't wait to get the fruits. This I didn't graft. It was grafted already. 4 different variety in one tree. And here is we are in March 21st to be exact, and it took, so I am so glad. It was a great experiment for sure. And it's pretty cool. I believe it took, all of it took, it's just in a different stage. Some have buds, some of the buds came out, and there's some flowers just sitting there, just right there. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.